Welcome to Alvy World. I'm here again with my most advanced web development class I've ever had. And we're going to be working on Justin and Tyler's design. This one's going to grow and shrink. It's not going to have an overflow where you can scroll the text. We're just going to have it grow and shrink. So this time, for sure, we're going to have two images that we're going to crop. There's going to be a top, crop the top, save for web and devices, and we're going to save it. We're going to create a new folder. We'll just put it on the desktop. What is yours called? Let's call him Nerdude. Okay, so inside Nerdude, let's call this top.
Oh, that makes sense because it's
Crop the top. I'm going to copy, new file, paste. Then I can save for web and devices. There we go. Call that one top. Okay, now I can get a little piece of the middle. Copy, new page, paste, save for web and devices, call it middle. And then the bottom, copy all the layers, new file, paste, save for web and devices, bottom. Okay, that's good for Photoshop. Okay, now inside of the CSS folder, we're going to make a new file. What am I supposed to call this one? Nerdude.css. And we'll open that up. Okay. And this one we'll need, I'm just going to copy and paste from the free love one we already did. Is that okay? Okay. And it's okay to have, do you guys know what this star means? What's the star mean? It means all tags. So everything is going to have a margin of 0. That's just a good way to do things. Okay, we're going to have something for the body. What should the background color of our body be for the Nerdude? Okay, so 6 zeros is black. So we're going to come into our images folder on the remote server. And I'm going to make a new folder in images. I probably should have done this for free love. Nerdude. In order to get your images onto the remote server, you have to save them to your local directory and then click upload. Let me show you. You go up here, over on the right. Everybody eyes up here, and you go to local view. Okay. In your local view, you need to make that same folder. So this one would be Nerdude. And then you need to go into Finder. And you need to find that folder that's locally saved. If you don't know where it's at, you can go ask Dreamweaver. You can go look at the details of your site that you set up. Remember we went through all this? Do you guys remember going through all this?
Wait, that's basic?
Yeah. When we got to this page right here and I just said use the default, this is telling you where your local copy is. Okay. Can you tell what folder my local copy's in?
Unpirated users LV documents web development project.
It's in my documents. inside a folder called Web Development Project. So if you don't know where your local files are stored, you just look at the site. So mine is Alvi Documents Web Development Project, and look at, there's the images and Nerdude right there. So this is where I want to put my files. So I guess I shouldn't have put them on my desktop. I'm going to drag them over. So there's my Nerdude images. I'll copy those and put them into the proper folder. Okay. Now, do you see them pop up? Did you see them pop up there? Okay, you can't see their names, but they're there. Okay, are they on the remote server yet? No. Okay, so I'm going to select just the folder that they're all in, the Nerdude folder, and the blue arrow is for put. That's going to put them up to my remote server. Let's see if it did it. Ta-da! Bottom, middle, top. Okay, so what changes? Back to the CSS. Now what is the URL? Instead of images top, it's images what? Nerdude. There we go. Okay, so I'm putting, as the background of my page, I'm putting the Nerdude top.jpg. Am I going to want to center my thing?
No.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to want. But what's the width? We got to go see if what the width is. What the width is. The width is 600. Okay, and then the height is not static this time. The height will be auto because we're going to let it grow and shrink. So we'll save that. Okay, and now let's see what it's going to look like right now. So now that we've changed the CSS, it's going to change the look. So we've got that top part. Where are we going to put that middle piece that repeats?
Probably in the middle. Right under the top.
We've got two choices. We've got menu or content.
Content.
Probably in content. So the background for this one, URL okay, and this one is, do you guys know why I'm doing this dot dot slash dot dot slash? Because my CSS file is 2 folders in from the main level, I have to go 2 folders out before I can look for my images. So what the dot dot slash says, it says go back 1 folder, go back 1 folder, then go into images. Okay, so we have to have the dot dot slash, and then it's inside images, Nerdude folder, and what's the middle one called? Middle. Good. And how do we want this to repeat? How do we want that middle section to repeat?
Vertical.
Just vertical, right. So that would be repeat dash what? Y is vertical. Repeat Y. Good. Let's see what happens. Hey, hey, hey.
That is one big book and I don't want to read it.
What